Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, markets and the grains are lower overnight. There is peace talks in Turkey starting either today or tomorrow, and that last week Russia suggested that phase one of their exercise had been completed, and that now they'll focus on maybe the east and southern parts of Ukraine and annexing those areas as far as Russia territory. Ukraine probably won't agree to that, but wheat down 30 cents, corn 10 to 11, and beans 14 as the war premium that we put on Friday is being taken out. We also have seen a few analysts reducing their U.S. corn and soybean export numbers in corn because not sure if China will buy U.S. corn. South America is offering corn cheaper right now, and probably at least through June. Soybeans, we are competitive to China, but Brazil did lower their basis levels on Friday, so China continues to buy like their April, May, and maybe even June coverage, mostly out of Brazil. After that time frame, though, U.S. will probably be the market for them. And the question is, do they have positive crush margins? Do they have positive hog margins to import the number of beans that currently USDA is suggesting? And as far as weather is concerned, South American weather right now is favorable. Maybe some people in Paraguay and southern Brazil may be concerned about too much rain during some of the harvest, but certainly the second Brazil corn crop is receiving good moisture for now. It's interesting that the U.S. 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day maps have rains across the southern plains. Our weather guy feels that this is too wet and that there will be shower activity, but starting April 15th, we could actually see a ridge starting to build that's not in those NOAA maps. So that has to be watched pretty closely because, we thought that nearby Chicago wheat would be in a 1050, 1150 range, and overnight we're at the lower end of that range, whereas last week we almost tested the higher end of that range. Some people think that 772, 775 nearby May corn has reached technical objective based on the fundamentals that we know, and probably we need to see more business in order and some kind of weather problem to push above that price level. And we could say the same thing about the soybean market and where it is trading and the resistance that it has above the market. We got the USDA this week. They'll be coming out with acres and stocks, an important report that will probably dictate price direction over the next couple of weeks. As always, these are my ideas and not ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.